If you're choosing between GnuCash and HomeBank, this isn't just personal finance app versus personal finance app. It's accounting power versus simplicity and speed. So, which one actually manages your money better? Let's break it down. GnuCash is designed like professional accounting software. It supports double-entry bookkeeping, investments, reports, and detailed financial tracking. That makes it powerful for users who want complete control over their finances or even small business accounting. But here's the catch. The interface can feel outdated, and beginners may find it harder to learn. HomeBank takes the opposite approach. It focuses on budgeting, expense tracking, categories, and easy day-to-day money management. Many users like it because it feels lighter and quicker to use without requiring accounting knowledge. The downside is that it lacks the deeper accounting and business features found in GnuCash. So, which personal finance tool is better? Choose GnuCash if you want advanced accounting, investments, and deeper financial management. Choose HomeBank if you want simple budgeting and fast day-to-day expense tracking. Bottom line, for most people, HomeBank is a more practical personal finance tool because it's easier and faster to use. But if you want detailed accounting features or expect your finances to become more complex over time, GnuCash is the more powerful choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.